Hi, it's Marie-France Garon. Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. Today we're going to have a look at how to dry our herbs from our fresh garden to have them for the whole winter. This was a special request from my friend Lucy, and so here we are. We have some basil, and right now it's full. There's plenty, so we eat them of course fresh while we have a lot, but we want to keep some for the whole winter. So this is our herb garden, and we have lots of nice herb. It smells beautiful. This is the basil. It smells so nice. And we have the Greek oregano. It's growing so big. There's plenty there to dry some and keep them for the whole winter. We'll show you how to do that. And we have chives behind me here, and this is the garlic chive. It's light and just garlicky a little bit. It's delicious in salads and all your different preparation. It's beautiful. And there's some thyme here, and we have some parsley, and this one here, this is the stevia. So now you hear me talking about stevia all the time. This is what I use in my cooking when I need something sweet. You can buy it in the supermarket now, of course, but it comes from the plant called stevia. This is really sweet. So I use this in salads, in salad dressing, in my smoothie in the morning, in all sorts of things, and it is really sweet and delicious, and it's got 0 calories. So this is really nice. So it's very easy to dry them and have some for the winter. Now you can dehydrate them. There's a dehydrator that you could use, which is great. Or some people like to put them on a pan in the oven on very low heat, and they will dry, and then you can just store them for the winter. I like to use the simple method, is to hang them, really. So it's quite simple. Now we have fresh basil here, and we have also oregano. It smells amazing. And so what we do is that, like, those bunches big enough, they will be on their own, and so we can tie them with a little rope. Just tie them up and hang them up. Just put it around like this and put a knot in it and hang them somewhere where it's dry and also not in the sunlight. It's important that it's dark. But for extra darkness, I like to put them in the paper bag. But you see, you can hang them up and leave them like this for about 2 weeks, and that's all, they'll be ready. So what I like to do is to put them in a paper bag, because I'm sure that it's dark, and they can also sit like that, because it's just your normal paper bag. Put them in like this, and then clip them with a paper clip and let them sit like this. That's all. So they will sit like that in the paper bag. You can put it in a cupboard somewhere where it's dry and leave it there for about 2 weeks, and we'll come back and see our dried herbs. We have our dry herbs here. They've been sitting like this in the little paper bag for about 3 weeks, and we're just gonna discover how they are. So they should be really dry inside. So I'll just open them. I don't even know which one is this. I didn't write on the bag. Oh la la, this is some oregano. Oh yeah, it smells beautiful. So if you have, you could keep them just like this, and then just crush a little bit of it when you're ready to use, or we can just crush it out of, one by one, take it all out of the little branch like this, and put it in a little jar for the winter. All like this. Just take the stems out So it's pretty easy to do. Just put them like this, upside down. You can hang them up, but I like to get them in the bag so they stay clean, away from dust or anything. And then now we just take them all off the stems, and then voila, we have herbs. And of course I'm gonna make so much more. I'm gonna continue to prepare more for the winter, because we use a lot of oregano, a lot of basil, so we're gonna use more of it, of course. So I put them in a little glass jar like that, but it's very important to make sure that they are really dry before you put them in a jar. But it's pretty easy. It takes a week or 2 weeks in the little bag to dry them. So we're gonna make so much more of this to have lots and lots for the whole winter, because when you have nice fresh herbs, why not use them rather than having to buy some through the winter? So let's keep going. Fill that up and label it if you want, or you can just, that's oregano, you will know what it is. So here we are, we've got them all out of the bags, and we have some more oregano, we have some dill and some basil. So we do just the same process. We pull them apart and put them in a little jar for the whole winter. So far we have basil, we have dill, and we have oregano. So our beautiful herbs for the winter. It's gonna be delicious. They smell so nice, and we're gonna make some more, much more.